Diamond Dotz is an amazing new craft where stunning designs are created with diamond-like facets. The design is printed onto high-quality polyester fabric. The area to be worked with diamonds is printed in the form of a chart, similar to a counted cross-stitch chart. Each coloured diamond corresponds to a symbol on the chart. Identify the first symbol to be worked and locate the corresponding coloured diamond. Take the diamond stylus and dip the metal end into the wax pot. Pick up a diamond from the caddy, making sure to place the head of the stylus over the round faceted side. Place the diamond onto the corresponding symbol on the chart. The adhesive surface makes it easy to place and stick the diamond down. The process of picking up the diamonds and placing them onto the chart is easy, relaxing and quick, making it possible to complete even large-sized designs like the white wolf in a matter of days.